Hello, my name is Tanya. I'm 45 years old and I work in a bank. So before the session, I did ask Coach Jay to teach me how to put eyelid tape because that's something that I've been seeing in the videos to help me deal with my eyes which has no lid, which is not perfect for cut crease, but because of Coach Jay's patience, we were able to achieve this look. And I really want to thank Coach Jay for being so patient and very generous in sharing her knowledge. Prior to joining MSA, I had tried doing my own makeup whenever I go to events or whenever I go to the office or parties. But I would say that there's no technique to it. So it's really just the stuff that I watch from YouTube videos and then I apply to myself. The fact that I really wanted to learn the specific techniques because doing it hands-on, I believe, is different from you just watching it on YouTube. Because the beauty of doing it face-to-face with MSA is that the coaches will teach you the proper techniques. They will correct you. They will even do it for you if the need arises. And so the learning is very much heightened because of the hands-on approach of the coaches. Importance of proper blending, especially with foundation, concealer, making sure that there are no harsh lines when it comes to eyeshadow so that everything blends out seamlessly. Also, differences between cream and powder. So, underpainting is not something that I did before because I would usually just go straight foundation and then do all powder products on my face. I realize now after enrolling in MSA that cream-based products will make the makeup last longer. All of the makeup techniques that I learned from each of my 3 sessions in my everyday activities. So, for example, I don't usually always go to parties, so I can just do everyday makeup. And then now, this session, the 3rd session, is very interesting for me because I also learned how to do my hair. So, I have curls now and I learned how to do it myself. So, I would say every session is special in its own way. So, to Coach Rina and Coach Jay, I would like to thank you all for the patience and for really making sure that I understand every makeup technique that you taught me and for the positive feedback that you've given me so that I could continuously improve myself. Learning makeup on your own is different than doing it with a coach because obviously the coach will be able to guide you every step of the way and teach you the proper techniques. So I really highly recommend that you enroll and sign up for this school because there are a lot of lessons that you will learn, even secrets to making your makeup flawless and long-lasting. So investing in a makeup class like the ones offered by Makeup Science Asia is very highly recommended. Thank you also. Bye!